My name is Finnoe, president of Finnoe Design and Fabrication. We're a structural and miscellaneous steel fabricator. We've significantly grown since we added the machine. It was almost a necessity when we added it. We've added probably 20 people.
I'm Jared Cook. I run the Prefabrication, primary operator for Finnoe Design. We got the machine in brand new. I helped them put it together when I started and been operating it ever since. It's a great system for beginners or even veteran shops. It can do pipe, tube, beam, HSS, anything that you need to process.
The Prefabrication machine was our first piece of CNC equipment, automated beam line in this industry. It's pretty competitive right now, and you pretty much have to have some sort of robotic plasma cutter beam line system, just absolutely required to be competitive. Your quality goes up significantly. You have less opportunity for error because you're using your 3D model files to physically cut the piece.
Their tech team with Prefabrication has started giving us more freedom to do distinct settings, and they've also helped us make some improvements to the system that we asked. So that is super helpful. I like this machine. I think it'd be good for any other company out there.
They've been really good about listening to us as a customer and actually custom modifying the machine or the software for our needs.